matches.
Are here, testing the height and light. Game on. Table number 1 now. Oh, that's quite a placement by... It's no more kids play, Chan. You're facing world number 1.
Yeah, and that's gone out again to Fan Zhendong and Ma Long, a left-hander. We've seen him rock practice. He has been so intense in practice sessions. Stuff of champions. Harimoto in a match that will always be remembered here, especially at the Kalinga Stadium. First point to Chan.
Oh, beautifully. Even counter. Oh, Chan, well holding the rally, getting enough early attacks. It gives you certainly good amount of confidence.
Chan Baldwin, definite match against Liao Chengting. He bounced back in the 5-gamer to get that win. 11-4, 4-11. Also, you can just sense that after an early lead that Wang Chuqin had taken, you can see that Chan Baldwin has managed to bounce back when he was a child, of course, because it was said that he had a big head. But he's quite proportional now, as you can see. It's gone off, and Chan, the 20-year-old facing the world number 1, trying his best on the backhands, but this time it's onto the net.
Certainly. They move up to the food chain at least in the ranking. Oh, an open arm.
Especially when two men have practiced, everybody has watched. One is Wang Chuqin and the other is Harimoto. Oh!
Kid, don't be in hurry. Take your time with world number 1. Oh, I'll let Wang Chuqin as much as he can, and he would love to take one game. Oh, beautifully found a gap in the forehand. Wang serving to get first game here.
Yes, and that's why the Chinese fans were right behind Wang Chuqin. And it's a good return.
Yes, he got it. Changing the spin. Back spin.
Consistent, persistent, insistent as well.
Oh.
What happened there?
Deceiving service from Wang Chuqin. Wang Chuqin surprised him with that serve. Side cuts, cut spin as well. Oh, Wang.
Really tells you the quality and the fight. Chan has played well, no doubt about it. The world number 1 had to really earn this. He has earned this first game. We are now getting underway in the second game. Chan Baldwin had put in a spirited show, had even gotten 2 game points in that first game. And he starts off well there.
Oh, this time in the center. That's where block him there and get early lead.
And a good one, a second point. So he's done some of those things right. He has made the right moves, but not long, because even Wang, and that serve maybe drawing him forward.
Yeah. Oh, that backhand number 1.
That's just gone. There is a fight from Chan Baldwin, but Wang Chuqin just high on quality. Now misses this time.
Wang Chuqin, 5-3, Wang to serve.
Oh, that is the difference between winning and losing.
Okay, that's some.
Is where he said it's about that man trying to take that extra step.
Wang tried for the first time. And
Well, when you look at the number of games that he's played this year, not matches, games.
again,
3. So that's a good margin, the number of games that he's won. It's not matches, the games. But look at the points. I'll come back to that after this one as he gets one more point in his favor. Yeah, absolutely. Zap moves up to 8-5. So he's contested a total of 4,014 points. Now this is before this match. Again, just climbed on him. That's gone. Or 1670. So it's always about converting those. There will be those points you lose even if you're world number one. But when it matters, how do you clinch the winners? That is what is the most important.
able to get some of the winners that he would want against Chan. See, look at this. Completely surprised with that big, long.
Yes, but the last time it was Wang who was chasing. Chan was in control. But now Chan has managed to get
To take a timeout, but he didn't.
Yes, a lot of the times even the player should have a say in that.
Wang Chuqin was loaded.
Able to win that point.
Let's see what happens at this. Baldwin giving, troubling Wang. Found an opening there.
Yeah, he tried for that defensive position. Now can he get something out of this?
Oh,
Wonderful placement.
Beautiful.
Wonderful placement. And it's because of that that the world...
Finally winning those critical points. It's here.
Wang Chuqin had finished that previous game in fine style. As Chan...
Yes, absolutely. It was such a marvelous absorption of spin in his hand. The way the ball with two toss on the table, Chan had no way he could win that point. With that long shot, with that long arm game.
However, I must say that this hasn't been a complete domination so far from Wang Chuqin. It wasn't like the first match.
Oh, that had a good amount of side cut. Is very important.
Okay.
Paces the body, and if you can give these sudden jerks to an opponent, it can be really a game changer. Oh, and with this game changer, beautiful.
As you get ready to serve, you're also having a look at the stance of your opponent. And you'll also plan your serve accordingly. Compared to the first match, Sachin, we've got to say that for Hong Kong, China, Chan Baldwin has put up a fight.
Good fight, yes. Chan Baldwin, I would say that...
and the confidence, the fact that you have stood up to the world number one.
Yes. The way he...
Last year he beat Wang Chuqin. This year he beat Lin Shidong. It's truly an example for youngsters, and by 3 points. So expect the Chinese contingent to get a little louder now.
Wang Chuqin wanted to finish it early. Have got the first game.
That would be at the back of his mind, but he's got to forget that and focus on what's ahead. What a shot! Chan Baldwin.
That's a pretty punchy backhand. Another backhand. Mistimed it. So they are the highlight. Yes, it was a strawberry. Perfectly landed.
And Chan, here's an opportunity.
Chan did it with that flick. He got that game here. Welcome back. This is the first.
One in this final against China. Chan Baldwin was spirited. Now, can he manage to equalize and take it into a 5th game? As he begins one, he's got a off him. Sachin, this is impressive from Chan. Now, he's got to focus on taking this into the believe. If you have done it once and that too with a margin of 11-5, you've definitely got to believe. Meanwhile, Wang Chuqin is only raw if they are facing a tough situation of sorts.
That's a beautiful heavy.
Contingent get up from their seats and applaud. Now the Hong Kong China supporters.
Chang is getting a lot more local support here from Indian fans. Oh, Wang.
But it was hit as if it was going towards the Bhubaneswar airport.
It was a good setup.
Every point that Wang Chuqin wins is really egged on by the Chinese contingent. And again,
VIPs are coming in.
yeah, the pyros just being tested before the eventual trophy ceremony.
Oh, it was a good point. It was out on the timing. What a point. He should get a consolation prize for this, for sure.
Up against an inspired Chan Baldwin.
Oh, he kneeled down for that strong.
Decide to kneel down and then execute that shot, really.
He found a gap there. Misread by Wang.
Wonderfully done by the young man, Chan Baldwin, all of 20 years. He is definitely testing the world number one. But that's gone. That have assembled today right behind. Earlier, throughout this competition, they were either in the stands or elsewhere in the warm-up area. What a shot! Wow! Worthy of the finals when you turn up against the world number one and then you raise your game like this. He's level now again. Chan Baldwin has managed to find his space, find his rhythm and come back. If only he had managed to win that first game.
Now that's what you call.
Chan had clinched that first game in this contest.
There was a position he could have
Oh, totally.
upset. World number one. Chan kneeled down, not very happy. He had done the right set.
Match point and move ahead. He's only a point behind. Here we go. High toss. It's one man, and that's Chan himself.
Okay, though, Wang Chu, what I'm known for. Swing from behind the table.
What is happening is that a young man from Hong Kong, China has decided to challenge the world number one.
He has found that opening. Read the...
What a return. What a return. Serve. Is he going to go for the high toss as always? He does. Hits the net.
Wong got little confused with that shot receives. Okay, Chan gave that deep thinking.
He's going to think deep, all right, because it is a match point now for the world number one. The world number one, Wang Chuqin, has taken China 2-0 up in this fight.